tutorial and welcome to Minecraft. And this now I gonna make some time machine.
Yay! Time machine.
We already made now. Let's see. Never using redstone. See this? You see?
Now.
Now we're gonna try and travel with beans.
Yay!
Beans!
What?
Let's go here.
Wait. Yay!
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh, there's a zombie.
Bye bye. Wait. Let's go to the time machine.
Ibang word. Stop PW word.
Uy, wait. Lose control.
Wait, look.
Wait.
There's a shooting star. Ooh, shooting star.
Bye bye, beans.
Nah. Nah.
Oh no.
May coming.
Bye. Bye.
Nah. Nah.
Uy. Wait.
Move.
Now.
Wait.
Uy. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Wait.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
I'm clicking. Oh my god.
I'm not clicking, you see?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Oh, oh.
Oh
What is that? It's here by spawner.
my god.
What, everything is gone?
Help.
This is my tree house in here. This is the graveyard with
Oh my god.
someone's died. This is the well.
What is this? Oh my god, I'm burning.
This is the Sky Island. Oh.
Where's the Sky Island? No. No!
This is someone's house. Here is beans.
Look! Why there's fire? Why is this fire?
What the heck?
What is this?
Now it's back time.
Wait!
Please. Please.
Basta pa ka dito.
Please.
Hindi ko pa to.
Kala ko kakalungot. Bye bye, beans.
No!
Forever and this time. Faster. No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Nasaan na tayo?
Oh, we're back.
Yay!
Yay.
Wow.
Oh.
Yay! Look, over here.
Yeah, it's raining. Now it's end the video.
And
Like now in my video and subscribe that button. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.